Okay, today I'm going to change this old light fixture in the bathroom. We could do better. I'm going to get to that right now. Alright, so I shut off the power. I'm just removing the light bulbs. And now this whole light fixture is just held in with these collars over here. Just take this plate off like that. And here are the wires. So we have 3 black, 3 ground, and 3 white. I'm just going to undo them. Alright, so now all I have to do is remove this plate and I'll be on my way. Alright, now to get this plate down, just 2 Phillips head screwdrivers I gotta get out of the wall. It just slips right over the wires. And there we go. Now one thing you might have to contend with, as I'm sure I'm going to have to contend with, is the paint. So we might redo this whole bathroom, but this is something that might show through. Okay, so what I'm installing is this Hampton Bay 4-light vanity fixture, Tavish. It comes with the glass shades. Picked it up at Home Depot for $49.99, I believe. There's the number, 261568. And we're going to get to it right now. Alright, so there's the fixture out of the box. There's the back plate. We got to remove the back plate. We do that by taking these, oops, they go everywhere. Taking these 2 off. And then the plate just pops out of the back like that. We remove it, move the front. And there is the back mounting plate and the screws. Alright, so I have the mounting plate on the wall. I have a level on the top, so I know I'm nice and level. Now I'm just going to make a couple of pencil marks. And I'm going to have to put a couple of mollies in the wall to hold the plate in. And I don't recommend anybody do it this way, but I'm going to cheat because I don't feel like going to get my drill. I just have a center punch, a little lady's hammer here. I'm just going to make a little hole. Alright, so now I put my molly in. Just tap it in like that. Alright, now I'm putting the anchor screws into the mollies. I'm going to leave it about 1/4 of an inch from all the way in. I have it done on both sides, here and here. Now I'm going to put the mounting plate up. Alright, so now I'm going to slip the wires through the mounting plate hole. Put 1 screw in there, 1 screw in there, and I'm just going to again check the level. And that is perfect. Now I'm just going to tighten the screws. Okay, so now we have to make a decision. Do we want the lampshades going down, or do we want the lampshades going up? And we're going to go with the lampshades going down. So we're going to hang it like that. And now I'm going to get to hooking up the wires. Alright, so now I'm making the connections. Black to black, white to white. I'm doing a white right now. Wire nut on it. Okay, Okay. Alright, now I'm just wrapping my connections with some electrical tape. Like that. And now we are set to put the plate up. Just make sure everything gets tucked up in here. That's going to be the tricky part. Alright, now we just have to secure my fixture to the plate. Make sure that's good and tight. And then we put up the glass shades by just unscrewing this collar right here. Shade up. Alright, that is the finished product right there. It looks pretty good. Not too shabby.